Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we'll show you how to clean your AC evaporator coils inside your home to improve efficiency, boost cooling, and extend the life of your system. Let's start with the basics. Evaporator coils are the heart of your AC system, where warm indoor air cools down as refrigerant absorbs the heat. Step 1. Turn off the power. Before you start, turn off your AC unit at the thermostat and switch off the breaker. Safety first. Step 2. Access the evaporator coil. Locate the evaporator coil, usually inside your air handler or furnace. Remove the access panel carefully with a screwdriver. Step 3. Remove dust and debris. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently remove loose dust and debris from the coil. Then, take a soft brush to clean any stuck-on dirt. Step 4. Apply coil cleaner. Spray a no-rinse coil cleaner evenly over the coils. This cleaner breaks down dirt and grime without harming the fins. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Step 5. Final cleanup and reassembly. After cleaning, wipe off excess cleaner if needed, replace the access panel, and restore power by turning on the breaker and thermostat. Step 6. Test your AC. Turn your AC back on and check if it's cooling efficiently. Clean coils help your system run smoother and save energy. Need replacement parts or cleaning supplies? Visit PartsHnC for quality HVAC components, expert support to keep your system in top shape.